refreshed and renewed. God, in your mercy, we have this time to rest. We thank you for your unfailing help and protection this day. Forgive us for our failings, for our selfishness towards one another, and open our hearts to forgiveness and reconciliation. Ease the trouble, and bring joy to those in sorrow. We pray for the safety of the travelers, for those guarding the well-being of our nation, and for those with responsibilities. Continue to shower your blessings on our families and preserve the unity of our society.
Ito ang himpilang DXRS 918, Radyo mo nationwide sa Surigao City, ang DXRS. At may pahintulot mula sa National Telecommunications Commission. Ang aming studio at transmitter ay nasa 00176 RMN Building, Kilometer 1, National Highway, Surigao City. Ito ang himpilang DXRS 918, Radyo mo nationwide sa Surigao City. Kasama ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayan!